In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign deals to team members in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Assigning a deal to the right person keeps your pipeline organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're handing off a hot lead to a closer or rebalancing workloads across the team, the process is quick and straightforward. First, head to the Deals section from the left-hand sidebar. This is your main pipeline view, where deals are arranged by stage. You can scroll through your stages, use filters, or the search bar to find what you need. If you manage multiple pipelines, make sure you're looking at the correct one so you don't assign the wrong record. Next, open the specific deal you want to reassign. You can click the deal card directly in the pipeline view to open its detail page. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the right deal by checking the deal title, value, and current stage. This small pause helps avoid accidental reassignment, especially if you have similarly named deals. Once you're on the deal's detail page, look to the top right where you'll see the current owner. The owner is the team member responsible for follow-ups, activities, and overall movement of this deal. Click the owner's name to open a drop-down menu. From there, select the new owner you want to assign the deal to. You can usually type a few letters of their name to find them faster. If you don't see the person you're looking for, they may not have access to your Pipedrive account or the right permissions. In that case, an admin on your team can help make sure they're added and visible. After you select the new owner, Pipedrive saves the change automatically. You'll see the owner field update immediately. The newly assigned teammate will now see this deal in their list, and depending on their notification settings, they may receive an alert. This change also flows through to filters and reports, so ownership reflects correctly across your dashboards. And that's all. To recap, go to Deals on the left, open the deal you want to reassign, click the current owner in the top right, and choose the new owner from the drop-down. Keeping ownership accurate helps your team prioritize, speeds up handoffs, and gives you cleaner reporting. Use this simple reassignment whenever responsibilities shift or a teammate is better suited to move a deal forward. Thanks for watching, and keep your pipeline tidy and up to date.